Corrosion under insulation is one of the most costly and overlooked threats in the oil, gas, and petrochemical industries. At CorrosionRADAR, we help operators move from reactive inspection to predictive, data-driven integrity management, delivering the insights needed to act with precision, not assumptions. Headquartered in Cambridge and operator of the world's largest CUI monitoring dataset, CorrosionRADAR offers AI-powered CUI monitoring. Trusted across the globe, our sensors are deployed on pipelines, vessels, storage tanks, columns, and heat exchangers at some of the world's largest facilities. We enable you to focus resources where they matter the most. Backed by Aramco Ventures and Dow Ventures, and a team with expertise in corrosion, asset integrity, and remote monitoring, we bring deep industry knowledge, together with the power of AI models and digitalization to create CorrosionRADAR's unique monitoring solutions. The proof is in the numbers. Our clients have seen up to 65% in cost savings on inspection and maintenance, $385,000 in weekly savings, 75% reduction in inspection scope, and 6 months average payback time. CorrosionRADAR, your trusted global partner in tackling CUI, with solutions that support compliance, scalability, and smarter decision-making. Undetected CUI today puts safety and reliability at risk tomorrow. Predict, detect, protect. Learn more about the true costs of CUI at corrosionradar.com.